If you're freaking out and you're a mess and you're stressed out and exhausted and you've lost control and you're reacting to everybody and you're just using your temper and that sort of thing, how are you ever going to provide anybody with a sense of confidence? And if they don't have confidence in you as a leader, guess what happens next? Straight to Indeed.com, right? I'm out of here because they are relying on your organization for their livelihood, okay? To support their family, their children, to pay their rent, to pay their bills, to be able to buy groceries. And if they don't feel that business is going to be able to sustain that, or the thing, they're on shaky footing because they look at you as the leader and you're freaking out all the time and you're losing control, there it goes, right? Actually, I was thinking about this last night. I think I even mentioned this. What would happen if when we do our monthly all hands meetings, we address the entire company, provide updates on here's how everything's going in every single department. Here's what, the wins, areas for growth. Here's what's going to happen next month. And then I give my, my TED talk, my address, answer any questions that anybody has. And imagine I went up there and I did not look like I had my mental faculties in place. I went up there and I looked like I was just exhausted. I wasn't able to form sentences. Everybody around the company would be like, I'm out of here, right? I'm not confident in this. So I think it really starts with how you're able to lead yourself. You don't have to bleep it out. Okay, everybody knows, right? But my point is that you start by leading yourself and you start by ensuring that you have your shit together. You put on your oxygen mask first so that when you show up, you're ready to rock. It means you got to get a good night's sleep and you got to find a way to do that. Sometimes it means you got to take care of yourself physically and mentally. You got to come in restored. If you take weekends off, the weekends are for restoration, right? The weekends aren't to come back in more exhausted than when you left. It's to come in ready to go. You got to be professional. And if you do so, others will start modeling that standard as well.